welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I want to show a small TEMU order that I just recently got beginning of this week, and I was real excited to show it because there's one large painting that I just absolutely love. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. All of these paintings are from TEMU, and just as I believe I've said before, I am an official TEMU affiliate. So you'll see a code right about here that will appear that if you search the code on the TEMU site, it'll start presenting to you. Depending if you're a new user or even if you're returning, there are certain percentages and coupon bundles that they'll offer for any kind of purchase you want to move forward with. Myself, majority of the time, they're diamond paintings, but there's a whole large variety on TEMU, so anything that you're looking for, TEMU probably has them on the site. And I also have a list of items that I've picked that I've either purchased or I believe y'all might be interested in purchasing that you can pull up. And as well, if you pick from that list, I do get a small little commission and some money towards any kind of campaign that TEMU would like for me to select to present to y'all for any kind of items that they wish to show for the month. So without further ado, let's get to the paintings. So for the first painting, they're different sizes. At first I thought they were all 2020s. No, they're 2030s, I believe, for the first two. Usually they're wrapped up in plastic, but I take them out before just so y'all don't hear the crinkly noise while I'm trying to take them out. And when I unfurl it, they always include the standard kit. And just in case you need to diamond painting, the standard kit is where is always a tray, a wax, and a pen. And after you pour the diamonds into the tray, you would get the pen, press it in the wax, press it on the diamonds, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And in case you lose it or in case it breaks, don't worry, your next painting is always going to have this kit. And these are the diamonds. First color I spotted was that nice dark teal that I love. I see it right there. A nice light pink, a really dark brown, and black. I really do love that teal. And sometimes since they stack them on as strips, you'll find some certain colors that surprise you or a little brighter than you would not expect on the painting. I've caught some colors that way. I really do like it though. I really love this eggplanty color in the middle. Ooh, I really like these colors. And this is the painting. And it's a cherry blossom tree, I'm assuming, with some buildings and a river that's, I was going to say echoing, but that's not the word. Reflecting the sky above. And I really love that. I really think that's pretty. I'm just going to pick up the plastic real quick. It'll help with the creases, as you see on the painting. And they do get creased since they're rolled up into the little packaging. So sometimes the creases are a little bit more aggressive than some other paintings. Not all paintings end up that way, but I still pull the plastic just to help straighten it. You can see in a moment, which does help it even out. So there you go. Just kind of roll it a bit just to see if I can get it flat. And there we go. As I said, it's a tree. I believe it's cherry blossoms, but I'm not too sure. I just really love the pink coloring going with the dark bark. It is such a good contrast color, and I'm a big fan of it. And the little buildings as well. I really do love this painting. And some information about the painting. It is ZS-312 and is a 20 by 30 and is 15 colors. And woo, the whole legend is all alphabetical letters, which is, for me, I believe it's awesome because I won't have to worry about, ooh, there's like a random number when I know they're all letters. And for this painting, I'm going to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see more clearly. With a nice little river with buildings and tree. And a tree is more your style. Let me put it aside real quick. Ooh, sorry about that. I believe I might have dropped it. So for my next painting, since we're already about to hit fall, I decided to pull out this little painting. I actually have this painting in the larger size, but when I saw it was a smaller one, I kind of love the smaller ones as a side project while I'm working on really big canvases. So when I saw this one, I thought it was perfect just to put it on my wall or on my door. just for the Halloween season. And as well, the standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Oh, look at that. They're kitted up in Ziploc bags. I don't usually get smaller paintings in this with Ziploc bags. They're usually in the little plastic sachets, that you would have to cut. I've never really seen one with the Ziploc bags. Oh, that is really neat. I'm still gonna de-kit them and take them out of the bags because I don't use Ziploc bags. I put them in my little storage cases. But I do love that they, made it a little easier so I can just open and pour them out. I really love these oranges. Orange is one of my favorite colors. Blue is my top favorite, but I do love orange as well. I love this little neon-y orange with this little kind of pumpkin-y orange, which kind of makes sense. Oh, I really love these colors. And this is the image. As I said, I also have this image in a bigger painting, which I believe I originally purchased from TEMU. And it's a stack of pumpkins. Oops, sorry, before I do that. A stack of 3 pumpkins in different colors and little golden flecks twirling around. Kind of makes me think of magic with a black background, which will help a lot, especially with those really neon-y orange colors. It will really help the coloring to pop out a bit. So let me just pick up the plastic again. Sorry for the noise. Just turn that. And there we go. It is easier, and you don't have to really pick up the plastic, but as I said, for me, it really does help straighten out. I put all these paintings in the portfolio, and it really settles down the creases, but I still do that, especially since I'm trying to present it to y'all, and so y'all can see it a little better. This is such a cute image. I think I might kit this one up soon, so I can have it ready when I'll probably put it up around my wall, probably in August, because it's already, for the start of the fall season. It's just so cute. I love all the little smiling, happy pumpkins. And pumpkins are one of my favorite things about Halloween. And so some information about the painting. It is WZ999 and is 20 by 30. And it is 14 colors. And as well, the legend is all alphabetical letters, sorry. And yeah, I love how the orange, even in the little legend, are real bright, and I love that. Oh, I really am. You know what? I am going to kit this up pretty soon because I'm really loving how the image looks. And honestly, I stored away the larger version of this painting, but I'm not too sure if I gave it to someone or put it in one of my older portfolios. I'll have to look around, but I do want to do the smaller size. As I said, just so I can have it on the side, so I can work on larger paintings. And for this painting as well, I'll put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly. With a little stack of happy pumpkins are your style, especially for the fall season. And for my last my last painting, I actually was waiting for this one. It was actually a pre-order, so I had to wait a bit before I could get the whole order. I was so excited when I saw this one. I was so excited when I received the order. And you'll see it in a moment. And as well as standard kit, this one's a little different because it includes some Ziploc bags and it has a multi-placer on it. There's a 3, but it does have the tray. And as I said, they always find you. And these are the diamonds. Oh, this one's Ziploc as well. Oh, I love that blue. That's the first color technically I saw, but I love that oceany blue. And yeah, there is some teal, some darker colors, and some red. And oh my goodness, I really love these colors. And my apologies, there's a plane. Where I live, I'm kind of en route where the planes land, so apologies if you hear that. I'll try to edit it, but if you hear a little random sound, they're planes that are landing nearby. Oh, I really do love these colors. I love that tip. That's why I keep looking at it. Apologies for that. And I do love whenever they give you the diamonds, some paintings they do put kind of a little label of the number of the painting and the size. So if you store the paintings and the diamonds in different locations like I do, I can always just pull up the painting and I can locate the diamonds easily with a little label. I love when they do that. And this is the painting. Let's see if I can get it all on camera. Just need to move some items real quick. Sorry about that. And there we go. Ooh, I really love this one. So it's a little gondola with a whole bunch of books in it. And it's going down a river. and on the side is a building with some, I believe it might be a bookstore with some books as well. This one I do need to pick up the plastic. It's trying to curl up. And again, apologies. I believe someone's hammering next door. There's a building behind my window, so I do apologize for that. Random timing sometimes whenever I'm doing some of these recordings, but each their hammer away. It's all right. Like I said, I'll try to edit this out. And yeah, that actually helped a lot. This one was a little bit more creased. Oh, I really love this image. As I said, I pre-ordered, this was one of their pre-orders for one of their newer paintings, and I fell in love when I first saw it. As I said, it's a little gondola with some books going down the stream, little bookstore with the building, has some flowers and some vines on the side. Oh my goodness, I love the color on this painting. And I believe the blue belongs to the sky, as you can see it here. And I believe I might be getting it all on camera, but let me just move it around just in case. And I'm a big reader, so as soon as I saw the books, I knew I wanted to pick it up. And the idea of it, that they're on a gondola going down the little river, I think it's such a neato idea, and I really love that. So some information about the painting. It is ZTM3869 and is the 30 by 40. Yeah, it's a bigger one. And it has 25 colors. And the legend on this one, the numbers 1 through, I was going to say 8. Sorry about that. 1 through 7 are all in numerical order. And 8 through 25 are all in alphabetical order, I believe. Yes, they are. And so I do love when legends are in this style, because since they're kind of order, it's a little bit easier whenever I start doing the painting. I don't have to worry about, the number 3 being the letter K. I've seen that before. So I am glad that they are in numerical order. And the printing on this is really, really clear. They make sure for the darker colors, I'm not too sure if I can get that on camera, they switch them to the color white. And then when they switch over to the lighter color, as the sky, for example, they switch it to the color black. So it's really, really clear, and I love that because it really pops out, and it'll make it so much easier when I actually start working on this painting. I really love the printing on this. It's so, so nice, and I cannot wait till I can actually start this painting. It's just going to be so pretty. And for this painting as well, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen, just in case you want to see a little clearly. You have a nice gondola with books. Is your style as well. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. As I've stated before, a lot of my TEMU orders are coming in. They're a little bit smaller, just so I can keep them more organized. And TEMU, a lot of their paintings are transitioning to fall, so now I'm being really selective of what I want to pick. They're mostly going to be pumpkins because I love pumpkins. And I cannot wait when it starts transitioning more to the winter, and I'll be able to pick up a whole bunch of winter paintings because I love snow for the winter, so I'm a big fan of that. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps out the channel for the algorithm, and it really allows me the opportunity to be able to show all these wonderful paintings to everyone who diamond paints. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.